In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave.video website. Let's walk through the basics so you can get comfortable quickly and know exactly where everything is. Start by opening your browser and going to Wave.video. This is the homepage where you'll access all of Wave.video's tools for editing, recording, multi-streaming, and hosting. On the top right, click Sign In. On the Sign In page, choose Sign In with Google. It's a quick way to get into your account, and if you're already logged into your Google profile in the browser, this will be seamless. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Create button. Clicking Create opens options like starting with a blank video or a blank image. A blank video is perfect if you want full control over your timeline, text, transitions, and media. A blank image is helpful for thumbnails, social posts, or backgrounds you might use later in a video. When you pick one, Wave.video loads the editor with a clean canvas and you can begin adding your content. Next, head to Streams and Recordings. This is where you set up recordings or a live stream. Use it when you want to capture your screen, your camera, or both, or when you plan to broadcast live. The interface clearly shows options for preparing your session so you can configure your sources, check your mic and camera, and get ready to go on air or record clips you'll edit later. Now let's look at Uploads. Click Uploads to bring your own media into your library. You can upload video, images, and audio, and then organize everything into folders. This keeps projects tidy, especially when you're working across multiple campaigns or clients. A good habit is to group by project or platform, so you can quickly find the assets you need. Templates is another time saver. When you click Templates, you'll see ready-made designs for different formats like social posts, ads, intros, and stories. Pick a style close to your brand, then customize text, colors, and timing. Templates are great for getting professional results without starting from scratch every time. Finally, check out Resources. This section offers tutorials and helpful guides so you can learn new features, find best practices, and troubleshoot common questions. If you're ever unsure about a tool in the editor or want inspiration for layouts and effects, this is the place to explore. That's the essential tour. Sign in, create from a blank canvas, manage recordings and streams, organize uploads, jumpstart with templates, and learn through resources. With these areas, you'll be ready to produce, publish, and improve your videos with content.